Hey, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'll be showing you how to install a force roof from Tusk on a 2019 Polaris XP4 1000. One of the first things people do as an upgrade on their side-by-sides is install a roof. And that's because it helps give you shade as well as protect you from the elements. Some of the things that set the Tusk roof apart is that it can be used with the stock visor. It has rain gutters on the side to help deflect water. And if you have a rear window in the back, it has spoilers to help blow any dust away. Now, that being said, I'm excited to see how this looks on our machine, so let's go ahead and get started. To do this job, we'll need some basic hand tools, rags, and safety glasses. We'll also need our Tusk hardware kit that came with our roof. We'll also be using our provided set of instructions. Now, you'll want to go through this and kind of read through the procedure before we begin. That way you're familiar with the process and make sure that you have all the hardware that came in the kit. We'll use clean water and a rag to wipe down our roll cage. With this kit, you have the option to run the stock visor or to take it off. Whether or not you're reusing the visor, you'll want to remove the clips and install the new ones that came in the kit. With the stock clip out, we'll now take our 5/16 drill bit and drill out the hole in the visor since our new bolt is bigger. Now we'll take the clip that came in our kit and install it. We'll install the front part of our roof onto the machine and loosely install the 30mm Allen bolts. Next, we'll install the rear roof section and slide it under the front portion of the roof. Align the 6 bolt holes, install our 6 bolts and nylocks and tighten them. Next, we'll take our 6 roll cage clamps and rubber gaskets, install them on the roll cage under the slotted holes in the roof, but we don't want to tighten them at this time because we'll want to be able to adjust them a little bit for final assembly. Now we can adjust the roof for optimal fit. So once you've done that, tighten the bolts across the center line of the roof. Now we can install our 6 Allen head bolts through the slots into the rolled cage clamps. We'll adjust the roof for fitment and then tighten all 6 bolts down to the clamps. And after that, we can tighten all of the clamps down. With the roll cage clamps installed and tightened down, we'll now remove all 8 bolts from the top of the roof and take it off the machine. At this point, it's highly advisable to have someone else help you take the roof off. Next, we'll take our foam tape and apply it to the roll cage anywhere the roof will rub, and that will help reduce vibration. Now we'll reinstall the roof and tighten down all 8 bolts. I really like how this roof turned out. I think it looks great and I can't wait to go try it. So this kit's available on our website. It's fairly simple to put on, and we also have just about anything you could want for your machine. So be sure to check that out, and if you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.